Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most powerful features in Excel, pivot tables. If you've ever worked with large datasets and wanted to summarize, analyze, or report your data efficiently, then pivot tables are your best friend. We're going to work with a sample dataset that contains sales data, and I'll show you how to create a pivot table step by step to extract valuable insights in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Before we jump into creating the pivot table, let's quickly review the dataset we're working with. We have data from different years. There are various categories like clothing, groceries, furniture, and electronics. Regions represent where the sales happened. Salespersons are the individuals responsible for the sales. Products include a wide range of items like shirts, cheese, laptops. And we also have units sold, unit price, revenue, unit cost, and profit. This dataset is perfect for analyzing trends, comparing sales performance, and identifying top-performing products and salespersons. Let's start. First, select your dataset. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click on Pivot Table. In the dialog box, you can choose to place the pivot table in a new worksheet or in the existing one. Let's place it in a new worksheet for better clarity. Click OK, and you'll see the pivot table field list on the right side of the screen. The pivot table fields pane is where you control how your data is summarized in a pivot table. It consists of 4 key areas. The filters area allows you to add filters to your pivot table. The rows area determines how your data is categorized in rows. Columns area is used to categorize data in columns. For instance, if you drag the year field into the columns area, your pivot table will display each year as a separate column, allowing you to compare data across different years. The values area is where you place the numerical data you want to summarize, such as revenue, profit, or units sold. By default, Excel sums these values, but you can change it to other calculations like average, count, or maximum. Now it's time to build our pivot table. Drag the category field to the rows area. This will list all product categories in rows. Next, drag the year field to the columns area. This will give you a breakdown of each category by year. Drag the revenue field to the values area. By default, Excel will sum up the revenue for each category and year. Now you have a simple but powerful pivot table that shows the total revenue for each category by year. Let's make this pivot table even more insightful. Drag the salesperson field to the rows area just below the category. Now, you can see the revenue breakdown not only by category but also by each salesperson within those categories. If you want to see the profits as well, drag the profit field to the values area. This will add another column to your pivot table showing the total profit alongside the revenue. You now have a detailed pivot table that shows revenue for each salesperson within each category and year. To make your analysis even more focused, you can use filters and sorting. You can also sort the data in descending order of revenue to see which salesperson or category is performing the best. Drag the region field to the filters area. This allows you to view the data for a specific region, for example, North or South. Or, you can use the Recommended Pivot Tables feature for easier access to pre-built layouts. To make your pivot table more presentable, click on the pivot table and go to the Design tab. Choose a style that suits your presentation. You can also apply number formatting to the revenue columns to display the values in currency format. You can also change the subtotal, grand total, and other options based on your need from here. You can add a slicer to visually filter the data by year, category, or region. Just go to the Insert Slicer option in the Analyze ribbon and select the fields you want to use as slicers. This helps to view and analyze the report more effectively. And there you have it. A comprehensive pivot table that allows you to slice and dice your sales data in multiple ways. With just a few clicks, you can transform a large dataset into meaningful insights. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.